History Chapter 1, The Birth of Modern India. Here in this chapter, I would like to explain the origin and the significance of the modern period of Indian history. The modern period of Indian history is marked at the end of the Mughal rulers and the establishment of Britishers here in India. The modern period of Indian history began with the death of the last Mughal ruler, Bahadur Shah Zafar II. He was so weak and luxurious, he was incapable to rule over here in India. The last greatest Mughal ruler was Aurangzeb. He died in 1707. After his death, his followers were so weak to rule over here in India. So the Mughal rulers completely weakened during this time. People from different European countries reached the Indian soil much earlier for trade. Among them, Britishers were so talented, cunning, and educated. They found that the later Mughals were very weak. They couldn't control the power. So they turned to capture political power along with trade. Gradually, they became the supermost powers of the world, as well as they were the masters of business and trade. European traders reached a high pitch with the conflicts among them for supremacy in trade and politics. Between 1707 and 1757 marked the formative years of English East India Company. They ruled over here in India up to 1857. 1857 to 1947, British directly ruled over India. Why the period of British rule in India is also called the colonial period of Indian history. Before going to the subject, we have to understand about industrialization. Because industrialization was one of the major causes of spreading colonization. What is industrialization? Rapid increase in technology is known as industrialization. From the 17th century, many new ideas, technical improvement, philosophies, and institutions started gaining popularity. Especially machines were used instead of using laborers, peasants, workers, etc. This transition is known as industrialization. Machines versus machines. Most of the countries, developed countries, started to invent more and more machines to fulfill the demands of the factories and industries. It was not a war, it was a war of inventions of new types of machines. It was a series of great changes in Europe which influenced the growth of modern European society. What are its features? Let us go through. Introduction of new technologies and inventions of new mechanical devices. Production increased with a cheap cost. It influenced mostly in the field of manufacturing, agriculture, mining, and technology, transportation, etc. England was the first European country where the industrialization started. Their industrial production increased in a rapid level. In a short span of time, Britain became the supermost force of the world. In order to support the domestic industries, they need to get more and more raw materials. Especially the regular supply of raw materials can reach there in the factories and industries so that they can produce more and more production according to the need of the people. Especially they wanted to fulfill the demands of the European traders. This marked the beginning of the age of colonization. Now let us study about the colonization. Colonization signifies the subjugation of a country by more powerful country. That means the developed country or the richest country is known as the imperial power. That country may control over the weakened country for their production, to exploit more and more their land, goods and commodities, etc. So weakened country is called colony. Richest country is known as imperial powers. Example, India was the colony of Britishers. India was a colony and Britishers were the imperial powers. They reached here in India. Gradually they started trade and business, and also they captured the political power here in India. And the complete economy handed over by themselves for near to 2 centuries. During this time, the maximum economy of India exploited. Political, social, economical background completely collapsed. They exploited and gained maximum profit from here and taken to their own country for their development, especially the fulfillment of their factories and industries. The maximum profit they earned from India, that means from the colony itself. Colonization of India. I told about industrialization was the cause of spreading colonization. During that time, Britishers captured the power from India. 1600, a group of merchants who came to India for trade. Gradually, they captured the political power here in India. Following its victory in the Battle of Plassey in 1757, the English East India Company became the dominant political power in India. Gradually, they became the masters of politics as well as trade. English East India Company ruled up to 1857. Afterwards, Britishers directly ruled over here in India till we got freedom.